Hi Stampers, my name is Nancy Gleason and I'm glad that you came over to my stamping space to hang out with me today. Today we are going to learn how to make this adorable little basket, and I'll show you how quick and simple and easy this is. This is certainly a project that you can whip out lots of them if you need them for favors. So let's get started. This basket is created using Floral District Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up! And today the basket that I'm going to make with you is going to feature our Sycamore Street Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up! And we're going to begin with a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And what I love about the Stampin' Up! Designer Series paper is that it's printed two sides. First we're going to start by using our Stampin' trimmer, which is the best paper trimmer known to mankind, in my humble opinion. So we're going to begin by cutting the paper in half at 6 inches and then again at 6 inches, giving us a 6 by 6 square. And from a 12 by 12 sheet of paper you can get 4 baskets. So it's a perfect yield as well. Once we have our paper cut to 6 by 6, we are just going to simply score it at 2 inches. Now, using the Simply Scored tool by Stampin' Up!, it has a double-ended stylus, and for Designer Series paper I like to use the part with the larger tip on it, and we're just going to line our paper up in the edge, and then we're going to score at 2 inches, and at 4 inches we'll turn the paper 90 degrees and score again at 2 inches and 4 inches, and then we are done with the scoring. Next up, we will simply fold this, and a bone folder makes nice sharp creases, so we want to crease this on every score. So we'll do it in both directions. And now that we have nice scores, we are going to take our paper snips and simply cut. And I suppose you could do this on the trimmer as well. I'm just used to grabbing my scissors whenever I need to make little snips, and we are going to cut on the score on 2 opposing sides, and that will give us this. We just have it scored on 2 opposing sides. Next we will need a little hole punch. Fold my 2 pieces that I just cut, and we'll do it on the outside, and just kind of hold them together, eyeball it up, and then using a crocodile or a 1/16 of an inch hole punch, I'm just going to give it a quick little punch, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. I'll fold the middle section up, I'll fold both ends in, angling them slightly so you have that little bit of an open area, and then again just eyeball it and pop a hole in the side. Now I have already gone ahead and I have cut 3 pieces of coordinating paper, and I've cut these strips to 3/8 of an inch by 11 inches, and now I'm just going to put the 3 together and hole punch them about 3/8 of an inch up from the edge and centered, and I'll do that on both ends. Again, I just choose to eyeball it, nothing fancy there. And then I am going to take a coordinating color brad, and I am going to put my, I don't know if you can see this, I'm putting the brad through my strips, which are going to serve as my handles, and then through the basket side, and then just fold that open. And then I'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Get my holes lined up. Get the brad through my handles. And open that, and that's it. You're done. I chose to spread my handles apart just a little bit, just to make it a little fancier, but that's it. There's really nothing to it. In the original sample, I used 2 different colors of coordinating cardstock for my handles, but either way, nice and simple and easy. It's a great project to do with kids. It's a great project to do for favors if you need to make a lot of them. It's quick, it's easy, and if you want any of the supplies that I used to make these baskets, just head on over to mystampinSpace.com, where you can shop securely on my online store. Thanks for stopping into my stamping space today, and come back and hang out with me again. Until then, happy stamping!